Dermatologists won't tell you. Just add toothpaste to the Vaseline and thank me later. It's super simple, but let me tell you, it works wonders. I bet you've never thought of using toothpaste and Vaseline like this, but once you see the results, you'll never look back. Alright, to get started, grab a small bowl. We're going to mix equal parts of toothpaste and Vaseline. The toothpaste contains menthol and baking soda, which help cool and reduce inflammation, while the Vaseline works to seal in moisture, promoting faster healing. You don't need much, just 2 teaspoons of each should be enough. Put the Vaseline in first, then add the toothpaste. This trick is widely used by people who work outdoors, like gardeners and farmers, because of its soothing effect. You won't believe how well it works until you try it. Now, let's start mixing until it becomes a smooth paste. By the way, while we're mixing, let me know where you're watching from today. I'd love to send a special shout out to my viewers in my next video. Once it's all mixed, here comes the fun part. Gently apply the mixture to the affected area, whether it's a burn, itchy spot, or inflamed skin. Make sure you're covering the entire area evenly. You should feel an immediate cooling sensation from the toothpaste, which will help soothe the discomfort. The Vaseline, on the other hand, will lock in moisture and create a protective layer on your skin. Now that it's applied, let it sit on your skin for 5 minutes. This is the key part where the mixture does its magic, so be patient. Once the time is up, take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe it off. You'll immediately notice that the redness has calmed down and the itchiness or pain has reduced significantly. So if you're ever dealing with irritated skin, give this remedy a try.